Understanding, on the wrong end of, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, on the wrong end of. This phrase is quite common in everyday conversations, movies, and books. But what does it actually mean? Stay tuned as we dive into its meaning, usage, and examples to help you master it in no time. On the wrong end of is a phrase used to describe a situation where someone is experiencing the negative, unfavorable, or less desirable part of something. It often implies a comparison or a situation where there are two sides, and one is not the side you would want to be on. For example, if you hear someone say, "I was on the wrong end of the deal," it means they got the less advantageous part of the deal, perhaps paying too much or receiving too little in return. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to formal discussions. Here are some common situations where you might encounter it. 1. Business and negotiations, when someone feels they've been outmaneuvered or received a bad deal. 2. He ended up on the wrong end of a business agreement and lost a lot of money. 3. Sports and competitions, describing a loss or being in a disadvantageous position. 4. Our team was on the wrong end of a 5-0 scoreline. 5. Personal relationships, when someone feels they are not being treated fairly or are in a less favorable situation. 6. I always feel like I'm on the wrong end of our agreements. 7. Legal and justice issues, when someone believes they have been treated unjustly or unfairly by a decision or outcome. 8. She was on the wrong end of a legal battle. Understanding these contexts can help you grasp the nuances of the phrase and how it's applied in everyday language. To use "on the wrong end of" effectively in sentences, consider the following tips. Identify the context. Make sure the situation involves two sides or outcomes where there's a clear disadvantage. Emphasize the contrast. Often, this phrase is used to highlight unfairness or disadvantage, so ensure your sentence reflects that. Practice with examples. Create your own sentences or find examples in English media to see how it's used in various contexts. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, "on the wrong end of," and how you can use it to express situations of disadvantage or unfairness. Remember, language learning is all about discovery and practice, so don't hesitate to try using this phrase in your conversations or writing. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.